I would love a global. I want Clippy, but for email deliverability.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
I want an annoying little thing at the bottom right that's like, yeah, it looks like you're trying to add some emails to this sequence. Can I zero bounce them for you? So like
Yep.
anytime any of the people on my team add any emails from Apollo into a sequence, I would love to have something that automatically zero bounces them.
Yeah, I think
Um,
to that comment on that specific point, I think you'll be excited about what we're going to release in a few months related to the idea of Clippy and giving you suggestions and stuff like that. So I don't want to reveal too much, but definitely something in the works related to kind of assisting you as you use the Apollo product.
I don't know what I can say or can't say about the beta, some of the beta stuff we're testing, but we've seen some things kind of in that direction, and it's encouraging.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think deliverability overall is definitely another big focus of ours. We recognize that, like, we need to really improve there. And so there's a lot of
Mhm.
investment happening in that front.
Cool. I haven't used it in a while. Remind me, can I still do warming through Apollo?
I believe so. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Is that something that's a focus for you all right now? Or
Yeah,
is that
it
something that,
is. I
okay.
think for that one, I think we're starting to explore a little bit more like, maybe partnering with different companies in that direction. But
Yeah,
yeah, definitely deliverability is, it's a beast in its own right. So I think in that direction, I think we're definitely looking to, kind of expand out our partnerships there.
cool.